Okay, nandyan na. Roland.
Asan ba yun? Can you...
That's for me. Yan. And give me Patrick's,
Can you give me my sound bite? Roland?
Okay.
Naingit ako ron.
Akin yun eh.
Later.
Because I'm the bomb. Okay, go ahead. And you're the rapido.
Anyway,
sige,
going back to what I was saying, no? So the thing is, asan na ba tayo, Nicole? You distracted me.
Sorry. Yung people around him, you're talking about
Wang. You know, I have a friend. Ito, nangyari to, no? This guy friend of mine was telling me, partner, sabi ko, what's the problem? You know, this guy friend of mine, he was able to witness yung isang abusado daw na this guy taga Malacanang daw siya. So this is the thing, Nicole, no? Nahila yung yung taga Malacanang. He was claiming, hindi ko na papangalanan.
Sige.
He was from Malacanang. So he was this guy was telling the towing company, taga Malacanang ako eh. All right. So the towing company was explaining to the guy to the Malacanang guy, sir, you were parked illegally. That's why your vehicle was towed because you are in violation of the city ordinance. You know what? According to my friend, sabi daw nung kaibigan niya na who owns the towing company, sabi raw nung kausap niya taga Malacanang allegedly, papalakihin pa ba natin to? So tinatakot niya yung this Malacanang guy is tinatakot yung towing owner. Kaya akala ko ba, sabi ko nga, you should tell your friend na dapat sagot niya. Akala ko ba walang wangwang? Where's your bomb?
Where's my bomb? Okay, another thing I have to tell you, Patrick, is that speaking of Wang and Weng Weng, and Weng Weng,
you know Weng Weng?
The drink? Or Weng Weng the guy, yung maliit, yung artista. Yeah, si Weng Weng.
Akala ko di mo siya inabot.
We need him now. I wish Weng Weng were around. Ako naman the drink.
I grew up in Pandacan.
Kilala mo talaga si Weng Weng.
I always see him when I was younger.
In Pandacan?
Taga Pandacan yun. This is funny.
No. Okay.
This is funny. Weng Weng, can I say midget?
Yes, or I think they're called dwarves also.
Dwarves. Yung maliit po, yung sumikat na the small... Action star.
Weng Weng.
He was quite popular during the early 80s. No? Ayan. The Weng Weng lives in Pandacan. I live in Pandacan. That's where my mom hailed, no? I always see him. Bata pa po ako yan, si Weng Weng. Ayan. So I thought Nicole hindi niya inabot yun. So I was surprised when Nicole told me, kilala ko yun, the small guy.
Yes, I know Weng Weng.
The action star.
Yeah.
Yung mga role niya parang James Bond.
Oo, ganun yung role niya. James Bond.
Si Weng Weng. Well, he's dead, of course. Yes. Sumalangit na.
Sumalangit si Weng Weng.
Langit
si Wang Wang.
Do you have a drink na pangalang Weng Weng?
Yeah, that's an 80s drink. It's called Weng Weng.
Why?
They mix it rum, I don't know why, everything. Kaya na Weng Weng ka. I guess it's Weng Weng, zombie, mga ganun. Kinda old na. But speaking about drinking, no, just kidding. Wag na, won't say it na.
We have a report.
Yes, we have a report.
I like this. Nilda Pablo will be reporting about the statement of newly installed Customs Commissioner Rufy Biazon, saying that he wants a crackdown, against Hausiao Media covering the BOC.
Okay.
So let us listen to this report coming from Mr. Nilda Pablo.
This is RJAM Field Reports.
All right, partner. Nilda.
Partner, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And, Ma'am Nicole.
Good afternoon.
And you mentioned about Weng Weng.
Weng Weng.
Yes.
Why? You like Weng Weng?
I remember Patrick.
Yes.
Weng Weng make a movie.
Yes.
Agent 100, something like that.
Mas magaling. You guys still remember the movie?
He was a partner at 357 caliber pistol.
Wow. Mas malaki pa yun.
Mas malaki pa yung baril sa kanya.
Mas malaki pa sa kanya.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
anyway, partner and
Yes.
Ma'am Nicole,
Yes, sir.
Commissioner Rufy Biazon confirmed that he wants to crack down the Hausiao Media men who use his weekly newspaper to protect some smuggling activities at the Bureau of Customs.
Wow.
Rufy Biazon said
And I will have to coordinate with the legitimate press, the recognized legitimate press of the different broadcasters, journalistic companies, to come up with a system of accreditation. Just like what we did in House of Representatives, or even the Senate, and even the House, the Malacanang Press Corps. So I will be coordinating with those different groups to come up with some sort of guidelines or rules which we can implement here.
Yason said that he have an intention to crack down against the Hausiao media men who collaborated some smuggler at the Bureau of Customs. Yason said his plan is to took the legitimate media men who covered at the Bureau of Customs.